This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marcia Van Zale. Updated 2-bed/2-bath first floor corner unit west/low maintenance fees in boutique building situated in desirable Victoria Park. Meticulously maintained unit features newer tile floors throughout, brand new fixtures, crown molding, built-in closet systems and updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Beautiful French doors lead out from living area to private spacious patio, great for entertaining and barbequing. 2 assigned parking spaces and washer/dryer in unit. Gated pet-friendly building with private tropical pool area across the street from Holiday Park. Close to Las Olas, beaches, shopping, restaurants and Fort Lauderdale's finest entertainment. Okay to lease first year. For more information, review the details below or contact Marcia Van Zale at 954-449-2700.